Alright, so this is where we left off. What we were doing is to solve this pair of this set of three simultaneous equations in three unknowns. We started that in previous videos and we found that x was 5. Let's continue by finding out what y is. Now, we see y is 147.6. In fact, let's just write down x up here. We have x, the answer for x equals 5, that's what we got. And then erase some of this thing and find out what y is. So erase some of these working to find out exactly what is y. Alright, we're going to find y. So here now, y equals, if we expand across, you know what? It's going to be a bit easier if we expand across row 3. So let's cover the row and column that contains 0. So we have 0 times the uncovered elements would be these. So it's 47 by 1 minus 6 by 18. Now this is accompanied with a plus, so it's a plus. Then we go to the 3 and we have a minus in row 3 column 2, so it's a minus 3 times. Then we cover, and the uncovered elements are 1631. So what we'll have as the determinant here is 1 times 1 minus 6 times 3. Alright. And here now, we have a negative 2. It's accommodated by a plus. So the sign will remain negative 2. If we cover the row and column that contains the negative 2, the determinant we will have is 1 by 18 minus 47 by 3. So it's negative 2 times 1 times 18 minus 47 by 3. All over now. Oh, we worked it out previously. What was it again, this bottom number? I don't remember, and we're going to have to work it out again. Alright? If we expand along row 3, using the same argument, you have 0 times 2 by 1 minus 6 by negative 1. And it's a positive. Then minus 5 times 1 by 1 and a 6 by 3, alright, plus negative 2 times, it would be 1 by negative 1 minus 2 by 3. Okay, so what we have here is y equals, this would be 0, all of this part would be 0. So then we have a minus 3 times 1 minus 6 3 is 18, okay, minus 2 times 18 1 18 minus 47 by 3. 3 7 is 21, 1 carry 2, 3 4 is 12, 13 14, 141 over, this is 0. You have negative 5 times 1 minus 6 3 is 18 minus 2 times negative 1 minus 6 equals negative 3 times negative 17 minus 2 times, what is 18 minus 141? Let's see. 18 minus 141 gives you negative 123. Negative 123 over negative 5 times negative 17 minus 2 times negative 7. So y equals. So when we work it out, we're going to get 3 times 17, that's 51, and it's a positive because you have a negative 3 times a negative 17. And then this will be a plus, minus 2 times negative. So it's 123 times 2 would be a plus 246. Or 246 over, then what you'd have, 5 times 17 is 85, positive 85. So it will be 85 plus 27, 14. So you're going to have 6 and 1, 7, 5 and 4, 9, 297 over 4 and 5, 9, 8 and 1, 9. So you have 297 over 99. So 297 over 99 equal 3. So you have y equal 3. Alright, so here, I remember now, the bottom determinant is 99. I can't forget that again. So when we're going to find z, I'll remember that it's 99. So y is 3. So x is 5. Y is 3. What about z now? So we're going to find z. Alright, so we just need to erase the top part here, because the bottom part is the same thing throughout. So z equal. So now, if you, I'm going to expand along row 3. When you expand a row with a 0, the work becomes a bit easier because 0 times anything gives a 0. So if we cover the row and column that contains 0, we'd have 0 times, you don't need to write the other things because it will be 0. But anyway, let's write it still. 2 times 18 minus 47 times negative 1. Alright? It's a positive. Let's go across. We could go up column 1 2, but let's just go across row 2. Row 3, I mean. So we cover the row and column that contains 5. Alright? So then you would have, and it's a negative 5 times. Then the uncovered row and columns would contain 147, 318, so it's negative 5 times. 1 times 18 minus 47 by 3. Alright? And then you cover the row and column that contains 3. And then the uncovered elements, 1, 2, 3, negative 1. So you're going to have a 1 by negative 1. It's going to be a 1 by negative 1 minus a 2 by 3. Alright? So what you will have here is a positive 3 plus 3 times 1 times negative 1 minus 2 by 3. So you see that? So now, we know from previous work that all of this under here will amount to 99. So I just write 99 from now. Alright? So up here now, 0 times all of this, that's 0. You have negative 5 times 18 minus, what's 43 by 7 by 3 again? So 3 7 is 21, 1, 3 4 is 12, turn 14, 141. Okay. Plus 3 times. This will be a negative 1 minus 6. Alright, so it's negative 5 times, this will be a negative 18 minus 41. That's 18 minus 41 again. 18 minus, not 41, minus 141. 141, that's negative 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, alright? Plus, guess what? Negative 1 minus this is going to be a negative 7. And negative 7 by 3 is going to be negative 21. So, this will be a minus 21 over 99. Negative 5 by negative 123, that's going to be a positive. So we can just write 5 times 123 equal 615. So it's 615 minus 21 over 99. So y equals, and then that gives you 615 minus 21 equal 594. Alright? Divide by 99 equals 6. So y equals 6. So we go up here and write down y equals 6. No, not y, z. Why did I write z? It's z. My mistake. Alright, so z equals 6. So let me just erase the y here and put z. Z equals 6. Alright. Now, let's just test it a bit and see if it really works out. We have to make sure. X is 5, 5 plus 2 by y. Y is 3, 2, 3, 6, alright, plus 6 by z, 6, 6, 36. 36 and 6, that's 42 and 5, 47, alright. It works for equation 1. Let's test equation 2. 3 times x, 3 times 5 is 15, minus 3 plus z, which is 6. 15 minus 3 is 12. 12 and 6, 18. Okay, it works for equation 1 and 2. Let's try equation 3. 0 plus 5y. 5y would be 5 by 3, 15. Minus 2, 6, 12. 15 minus 12 is 3. Ah, good. So, that's it. X equals 5, y equals 3, z equals 6. And that's a lot of work, as we can see, in solving 3 equations with 3 unknowns. So I will see you in the next video.